Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss about ABM's fifth chapter, business cycles. This is a very important chapter and you have to study thoroughly the whole theory letter by letter and word by word, because characteristics we get confused of every phase. So, for each phase, what are the characteristics we have to thoroughly study. Business cycle is also called economic cycle. So, what are the characteristics of business cycle or economic cycle? First one, this question was also asked. Synchronic, that means upward and downward movement. It can go up to any extent, like very prosperous situation, as well as it can fall down very low. So that means synchronic. Second one is wave like movement. In that movement, it is not that it will equally go up and down. It can go like a wave, not go high. It will go some extent and then come down like that. It is wave like movement, like waves. Cyclical fluctuations are recurring in nature. That means if one phase is happening, it doesn't mean it will be followed by the next phase. Same phase can also get repeated. So that is cyclical fluctuations are recurring in nature. Fourth one is indefinite period. That means it doesn't mean that if one period comes it will stay for only a certain period like 30 days. No, it can go up to 1 year or like that. It can go up to indefinite period. That is fourth point. Then fifth one is pervasive. It can be very complicated. Pervasive in the meaning complicated. It can be very tough. It can be very easy like that. That situation. Sixth one is not symmetrical. It doesn't mean we will expect something and it will happen. It can happen very suddenly. So it is not symmetrical. What are the characteristics of business cycle or economic cycle? It is synchronic, wave like movement, cyclical fluctuations are recurring in nature, indefinite period, pervasive, not symmetrical. You must by heart every point of this chapter. There will be at least 3 to 4 marks from this chapter. There can be case studies also. So please study this chapter thoroughly. Next, what are the phases of business cycle? I am not discussing in the order that phase is coming. I am just discussing how in the text it is given. Phases of business cycle. First is boom. You can study like a story. Production capacity fully utilized. There will be more investors. New machines will be purchased. Prices increase. Then high wages. This increased cost of production. Salary class people reduce consumption. Demand stagnation. Prosperity to its peak. So, for example, they will ask in which phase demand stagnation happens. So, we have to find out it is boom. So, we have to study each and every word of this chapter. So, we can study like a story. How? Production capacity is fully utilized. That is, production is fully being utilized. So what happened when so many production is being happened, so many investors will come. That I will also include in the production like that. So more investors will come. So what happened? There will be need of more new machines. So we will purchase new machines. Then what happened? So they have put some money in that. To cover up that, what they do is they will increase the price of the product. Then what happens? Many staffs will be assigned, so wages will also become high. And overall, what happens? The cost of production will increase. Then what happened? Normal salary people, what will they do? So prices have increased, so we will reduce the consumption. Then what happened? Demand will not be high, it will be like stagnant, no, not high, not less, like that. Demand will be stagnant. At that time, prosperity to its peak. Demand is stagnant, it cannot go further that. So prosperity to its peak. I think you understood what is boom phase. Production capacity is fully utilized, so more investors will come. So new machines will be purchased. Then prices will increase and wages will also increase. What happens? Cost of production also increase. Salary people reduce their consumption. So demand is stagnant and prosperity to its peak. I think you understood boom phase. Next is recession. Unknown people keep producing. What happened? The people who doesn't know what is happening in the society will keep on producing. Then what happened? Nobody will purchase. Stocks gets piled up. Right? Then supply increase, demand decrease. Then we will supply the products but nobody is demanding it. So supply increase, demand decrease. When people know about recession, business cuts down. Then what happened? Business will reduce. Workers retrench. Workers will be sent to home. Then orders are cancelled. Bankruptcy. Repayments are insisted. Unemployment. Producers compelled to reduce prices. So what happened? To sell the product, they will reduce the prices. Then distress. This phase is also called crisis. Which phase is crisis? I have asked. So recession is crisis. You may be knowing what are recession because it is a common word these days. So what are the qualities also you can easily find it out. So what happened? Unknown people produces, stocks get piled up. Then what happened? Demand is less, supply is more. So business cuts, workers are sent home, orders are cancelled, bankruptcy, repayment is being asked, unemployment. What happened? Reduces the price of the product, distress, and this phase is called crisis. Next is depression. Depression qualities are underemployment for both men and material, demand falls, producers are compelled to sell at any price, production reduced, workers thrown out, poorly paid, idle funds in bank, interest rate reduced, pessimism. Both recession and depression have almost equal qualities. So this difference you have to understand. Same only, but the wordings are different. They will ask the wordings and will ask which phase. And the only important point is pessimism is coming, that we will have a good future, like a ray of hope is being coming in depression. Next phase is recovery. Depression contains germs of recovery. Depression itself have some ray of hope of recovery. That is the meaning of germs of recovery. Idle workers ready to work at low wages. So people are having no employment. So what they do is whatever they give, I will work, like that mentality will come. Banks will give loans at low rates. What happens? Funds are getting piled in bank. So they will tell, we will reduce interest rate, you take money, like that. People ready to buy at lowest price. Demand increases. So what happens? Slowly demand is increasing. Low price, right? If we get something low, we will buy. That is human nature. So we will buy more things. So demand is increasing. Everything steadily grows. Optimism. What are the phases? What are the characteristics of recovery? Depression contains itself the germs of recovery. Idle workers are ready to work at low wages. Banks sell at low rates. People ready to buy at lower price. Demand increases. Everything grows. Then optimism. Phases of business cycle. This question was asked and I did mistake in this because I thought what is given in textbook is the phase of phases, is the order, but it is not the order. In the question it is being given, last question it is being given, what are the phases of business cycle, that is the phase. This RBRD: recovery, boom, recession, depression. Shan will come last. RBRD: recovery, boom, recession, and depression. So I think you understood the chapter well. This is a very important chapter. You must not skip this chapter and must study each and every word of this chapter. You will get 3 to 4 marks, and it is very easy chapter also. Thank you.